Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Bighorn Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite. It looks great. You do have the chrome grille up front there with your halogen headlights and your fog lights down there, with your chrome bumper and your tow hooks right over there. And coming around the side here, we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires with our 20-inch rims. They look great. Got your heated exterior mirrors right there in the chrome with the turning signals, and you do have your running boards along the bottom. Coming around back here, we do have our 6-foot box. Looks great. You got the Bighorn badging as well. You do have your dual exhaust pipes and your chrome bumper. You do also have your backup camera right there. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here. Looks great, and the box liner is awesome. Keeps it nice and safe for you. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. We have a remote start there and our panic button. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. This guy does bring in your mirrors. Got our handle here, some storage, and more down here with a place for a water bottle. Looks great in here as well. The seats are very comfortable and they look great. You do also have the controls over the electric seats here, so backward, forward, tilt, and lumbar support. And then up here we got the controls over the lights of the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as your fog lights here, in-cabin light control here. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have a speedometer and odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have our battery and oil life right up there, and in the center it does tell us the kilometers outside. It is telling us we do need a little bit of air in one of our tires, and we can also see the fuel economy, our trip A, our trip B. We also have our audio, stored messages, screen setup, your speedometer, and your vehicle info right there. That is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down, as well as a source changer. Right in the center, we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media player if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Controls over heated seats and heated steering wheel. You got your Uconnect apps right there. Climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You can turn the menu off, and you do also have your phone options right there. When you're in reverse, you have the ever-useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And then down here, you do have your gear shift. Then you have your 4-wheel auto, lock, low, and 2-wheel. And then right over here, we do have the volume up and down with our mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation. You got your temperature control, power, off, auto, and your front and rear defrost. And then down here we do have our heated seats and heated steering wheel with the traction control and the tow and haul mode. And then in the center you got your cup holders with your armrest, doubles as a storage container, 3 coin holders here with your USB and aux cord plug-in right over there. Lift this guy up, you got another seat underneath there, so it does seat 6 people altogether. As well, there is a little storage container just underneath there. You got your top and bottom layers as well with your glove box, lots and lots of room in there. And then up top, you got the control over the window in the back and your universal garage door opener. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you got your chrome accented handle. You got the control over the windows and your handle here. Looks great back here as well. Does seat 3 people all together, and you can lift these seats up as well. You got some storage just underneath there. As well, these guys do fold down, giving you a nice flat surface to put stuff on top of, and you do have your cup holders just over there. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 Bighorn. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.